Hello everyone, welcome to Rasta's classroom. Today we'll solve a nice math problem. This question is 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 37. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math olympiad question. So at this moment, first of all, you can easily hear x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you think x is equal to 5, so you can say it will be 2 to the power 5 plus 5, it is 37. 2 to the power 5, it will be 32 plus 5, it is 37. So you can easily here x is equal to 5. This is our final answer. But how to solve this question? How to find out here x is equal to 5? So let's solution. Our question, it will be 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 37. This is our question. Now at this moment you can easily hear 2 to the power x is equal to 37 minus x. I just move on this positive x in this side, it will be negative x. Now I divide both sides 2 to the power x, so it will be 2 to the power x over 2 to the power x is equal to 37 minus x over 2 to the power x. I divide 2 to the power x. Now at this moment you can see this expression, it will be 37 minus x times 1 over 2 to the power x is equal to this 2 to the power x and this 2 to the power x, it will be 1. Now at this moment if I evaluate this expression, so you can see that this expression will be 37 minus x, and according to exponential law you know that 1 over a to the power n, it will be a to the power negative n. So 1 over 2 to the power x, it will be 2 to the power minus x is equal to 1. Now how to solve this question? So here is 37. So I want to apply here is Lambert W function, but here is 37. So here is no 37. So I multiply both sides 2 to the power 37. So you can see here 37 minus x times 2 to the power minus x times 2 to the power 37 is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 37. I multiply both sides 2 to the power 37. So you can easily hear 37 minus x times, then here 2 to the power minus x 2 to the power 37. But here 2, this is 2. So you can easily hear our base is same. So if I apply this exponential formula, so it will be 2 to the power 37 minus x. I add this value because of that base is same. And here 2 to the power 37. 1 times this, it will be 2 to the power 37. Now here 37 minus x times, and you know that e to the power ln a is equal to a. So at this moment I apply this formula here. So it will be e to the power ln 2 to the power this 37 minus x is equal to 2 to the power 37. So according to natural log formula, we know that this exponent move on in front. So it will be 37 minus x times e to the power 37 minus x times ln 2 is equal to 2 to the power 37. Now here ln 2, but here is no ln 2. So I multiply both sides again ln 2. So you can see that it will be 37 minus x times ln 2. I multiply both sides ln 2. E to the power 37 minus x, and here is ln 2 is equal to 2 to the power 37 times ln 2. I multiply both sides by ln 2. Now at this moment I use Lambert W function easily here. But if I evaluate this expression, here 2 to the power 37, so it will be 2 to the power 5 ln 2 and 2 to the power 32. Here 2 to the power 5, here 2 to the power 32. So 32 plus 5, it will be 37. So this value and this value is equal. It is no change. Now at this moment you can see it will be 32. 2 to the power 5, it will be 32. And here is ln 2. And again, if I apply this formula here, e to the power ln a is equal to a. So it will be e to the power ln 2 to the power 32. E to the power ln 2 to the power 32, it will be 2 to the power 32. Now at this moment you can see this expression 32 ln 2 and e to the power 32 ln 2. Yes. Now at this moment I use Lambert W function both sides. So what Lambert W function is, it will be Lambert W function a e to the power a is equal to a. It is a wonderful formula, wonderful function. So you can see here our expression, it will be 37 minus x times ln 2 times e to the power 37 minus x ln 2 is equal to 32 ln 2 times e to the power 32 ln 2. Now at this moment I use both side Lambert W function. Here Lambert W function. Now you can see if you think this is a, this is a, this is a, this is a, so according to this formula you can see it will be 37 minus x is equal to 32, and here is ln 2, this ln 2, so okay, and here is 32 ln 2. Now at this moment if I divide both sides by ln 2, here ln 2, then you can see that this ln 2, this ln 2 cancel out, this ln 2, this ln 2 cancel out. We'll find out here is a 37 minus x is equal to 32. Now you can see that here 37 minus 32. I just move on this value in this side, it will be negative 32. Then if I move on this negative x in this side, it will be positive x. So you can see here x, and 37 minus 32, it will be 5. So we will find out our final answer, x is equal to 5. This is the value of x in this maths Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.